Hi you guys. So in this video, we're just gonna get right into it. We're gonna go in with the eyes. I am gonna start off with this dark chocolate lip liner. I know, lip liner for the eyebrows, but I love the warmth of this color, and I find that when I keep my brows pretty light compared to my hair color, I don't know, it makes my face look a little bit fresher and younger. After I've outlined my brows, I'm gonna go in with this spoolie brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and go over the brow so that it just softens up those lines a little bit. Now with the crease brush, I'm going to use this matte brown eyeshadow and apply this to my upper lid and really work in circular motion so that I'm blending while applying. And then without any sort of rhyme or reason, I'm gonna just apply whatever's left on my brush on my bottom lids. And then with a smudger brush and that same matte brown eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my bottom eyelid and connect the corners on the outer lid so that those brown from the upper eyelid and the bottom eyelid really mesh together. Now I'm gonna take this liquid eyeshadow in Meteor Shower, which is kind of like a rust color, and apply this directly to the center of my eyelid. This is a way I like to wear eyeshadow colors that have light reflecting properties without it looking too dramatic. I'm gonna go back to the crease brush, and just whatever is left on the brush on the inner corner and the outer corner, I'm just gonna blend slightly so that the Meteor Shower is kind of blended with the brown. Now I'm gonna take the angle brush or an eyeliner brush and apply black eyeshadow to the outer lid at an angle. And I'm gonna do this because it's gonna give my eye a little bit of definition on the top lid. Looking straight into the mirror, I'm gonna take my finger and kind of swipe it along my bottom lid up towards my temple, just to make sure my eyeshadow has fallen below that area so that my eyelid doesn't look droopy. And then I'm going to apply some mascara to the top and bottom lid. And then I just apply soft nude lip gloss to my lips, and that's the look. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See y'all later.